Hi, this is Edward Troxel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how to open a file from a list of project files. Basically, say you have a bunch of templates that you wanted to use, and you want to just always start in this one folder and choose the template that you want to use. This script will let you do that by letting you specify the folder it's going to start in, and then it will just show you all of the veg files in that folder, and you can then select the template you want to use. So let's see how that works. Once again, we're starting with our standard base test script, and we do our myVegas equals Vegas, and then I'm going to set the base path here to d://blogs//. Now you might wonder why we're putting two slashes there. If you don't put two slashes, you won't get a slash, and the slash acts as a special character, so it would try to do whatever special character /b is. So if you put // you will always get one slash in the output string. Then we need to create a new open file dialog, which I am calling OFD. So OFD equals new open file dialog. Then we need to set some base information about that open file dialog. So our OFD dot initial directory, which is going to be where we want it to open to, equals our base path, which we specified above. Then we need to create a filter so that it only shows the project files. So in this case, we're going to show Vegas projects, which is star.veg, and then you have to put this up and down line star.veg again, and that will show all of the veg files. Now in this particular case, I chose to also be able to show all files, and so we put our separator character in, and then we do our all files, and this time we're going to do star.star instead of star.veg, and then we have to put that in there twice with the separator character in between. Then we're going to select the multi-select option, and we're going to set that to false because we only want to be able to choose one project file. And then let's set the title for the dialog, and we will say select the Vegas template to open. Now I'm going to get a dialog result, which I'm going to call DR, by calling OFD.showDialog. When we show the dialog, then the dialog will actually open. If you click on cancel on that dialog, we don't want to do anything. If we click on OK, then we want it to continue on. So if our dialog result equals dialog result.OK, then we're going to process it. Then we're going to get a string with a variable name file from the OFD.filename. And now we simply open the project. So myvegas.newProject, false, false. So we're going to clear out whatever project is currently open and not ask any questions about closing it. And then we're going to open project for that file that we selected. So myvegas.openProject and the file name. So let's see how that works. So here we have a blank project. Let's go ahead and throw something on the project. And then we will do a tools, scripting, run script, and select this script. Notice it specified that it opened in the d:/blogs folder, which is what we specified in the script. And then we can come down and pick the template that we want to use. So we'll choose this one right here. When I choose open, it simply closed what was on the timeline and opened this project. If we go run it again, and we choose one of these other projects, and we choose cancel, notice nothing happened because we chose cancel. We did not choose OK. So that's how we can open a project in Vegas, by specifying ahead of time which folder we want to look for. We could have a series of templates in that folder, and then select that template from that dialog, and it would just open that template into Vegas immediately. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Let me know what you'd like to see in the next tutorial, and let me know if there's anything in particular you're looking for, and subscribe and like, and We'll see how many of these we can continue doing.
Please sign up at www.jettv.com and subscribe on YouTube to get further notifications on when new videos are presented.